Hi, David back again, and in this video I wanted to show you how to use how to insert YouTube video into WordPress a number of ways. One, using the JW Player plugin that I've shown you already, and two, just without using the plugin at all, and I'm going to go through that right now with you. Now, the great thing about the current version of WordPress is that if you want, you can quite simply go to YouTube. Okay, this is my YouTube channel. You can go to a video, and what you do is you go to the share option, right? You can simply grab that YouTube link, copy that link there, go straight over to your WordPress post. This is in visual mode. I can paste that in there. I'll just use Command V or Control V on the Windows. Update the post. I've got to allow that. And what I'm going to do is just preview those changes in the new tab. And what we'll get is your YouTube video right there. Okay? Now let's just say, for example, that you wanted this to be a different size. So you wanted it to fit in a specific, say, 460 pixels wide, etc. I'll show you how you do that with the plugin. Well, I'll show you how you do it through YouTube, and then I'll show you how to do it with a plugin. So if I just put in another enter in here, if I go back to YouTube, you'll notice you've got an embed option. Now what it gives you here is a video size option, so you can choose a size or you can do a custom size. So say I want my video to be 480 by 360. Now remember, this is how you do it if you don't have the plugin, okay? The JW plugin, okay? So you copy and go back to the actual. Now see here, under here, what I've got to do is with the embed code, with the iframe code, sorry, I need to enter that in text mode. Alright, so I'll just put a couple of X's there so I know where to go. So I'm just going to delete those, and then I'm going to paste that iframe code in here. Then I'll press update. The reason I put it in here, if I put it in visual, it'll print out the iframe code as it is. So I've done that now. I've updated the file. I'll just preview the changes by hitting Command Preview Changes, and that will allow me to refresh it in a new tab while still keeping this open. Now let's scroll down. Now you'll see now I have the video under here, same video, but with those different dimensions. Now let's say you want to not have to enter any of this yucky iframe code stuff in. Totally cool. Just go through and I'll delete that now. Well, actually, I'll show you what it looks like in visual mode. In visual mode, you'll get this with an iframe. Okay, so it looks like that. So what I want to do is delete that and get rid of all that. Now I'm going to show you how you can do it with the JW Player. Now, what I want to do is create a player. Okay, so hang on, I'll stay on the page, I'll update that so it's saved the changes. I'll go into player management, because what I want to do now is I want to create a separate player for YouTube videos. And I want to create them, because I'm happy with that size, I'm going to create a new player that's 480 by 360. So here we go. create a new player. 480. I want this to be 360. And HTML5. Doesn't really matter. But I know by default now YouTube do HTML5. I'll save those changes there. Okie doke. Oops, I didn't put a name in it. I'll go and edit that. I'll call this YouTube player. And you can even put in the dimensions so you know 480 by 360. Okay, simple as that. Save those changes there. Okay, so now I'll go back to the post. Go back in here. I'm going to place my cursor in the page there. Let's get rid of that there. And so what I want to do now is add some media. Now I'll show you what we do here. I want to insert it as an external media source. And remember, it's got the YouTube link option here. So I'm going to go back to my YouTube and I'm going to go to the share this video option, because there it gives me this lovely link that we have. I'm going to copy that link. I'm going to go back here. I'm going to paste that link in there like that. And I'm going to add that to my library. And I'm going to call this YouTube video 2, something like that. Okay. I'm going to not select the thumbnail, whereas you could if you wanted to. And I'm going to select my YouTube player here. And now I'm going to insert with that player. And you'll see now that it's inserted that YouTube video in there with that player. I'll update it. I'll just allow that to access it. I will refresh my preview page. And let's go down and have a look. There you have it. Okay, so you've got the YouTube there displaying in the JW player to those dimensions. Okay, and the dimensions are 480 by 360 because we created the player for that. So as a result, there you go. So for any other future YouTube videos you want to put in, all you need to do is, let's go back here. Say I want to grab another one of my videos. Let's say this one here. And I want to grab I want to share, and I want to grab that copy there. I'll just copy that. Go back to the post. I want to insert. So I'll add media. Add an external media. I'm going to add that. I'm going to paste it in there. Add to library. I'm going to call this YouTube video 3. No thumbnail. You use that video player there that we created at 480 by 360 because that's how I want it to display. Hit insert with that player. Update the file, which is really saving the file. Don't worry about that little pop-up there. That's just because I'm running a bit of software that protects me from getting certain things accessing it, called Little Snitch Network Monitor. Don't worry about it. You don't need to worry about it. Now I'm going to preview changes. We'll go back into the file here, scroll down, and voila! Voila Orama. There you go. There's the video there. with those dimensions all nice and neat. And hey guys, welcome. Playing. It's David Allen here, and I want to take you through this process. I'll stop that there. Okay, I'll leave it there. Hope you enjoyed that video. Again, if you've got any comments, just leave them in the comment page or send me an email at dsamedia.com. dsamedia@gmail.com. Talk to you soon, guys.